Thanks once again for tuning in channel. This is KIXPLORE, where we talk everything about sneakers, lifestyle, travel, and a little bit of everything in between. And today we're going to be reviewing these babies right here, the Asics Gel Sonoma 1550s. Let's get it. So what's up, guys? So this is a different, like a little bit of a different sneaker compared to the ones I normally review for you guys, but let me tell you guys that this is absolutely fantastic. So shout out to once again the guys from Asics who sent these over. They even gave me a really cool tote bag. Feels very high quality, and you know, I'm definitely going to be using this in the future. But back to the actual sneaker. So this is something that you probably don't see every day, or especially on my channel, but I'm going to tell you guys that it looks absolutely fantastic. Just by the upper alone, it looks great. Different materials going into it. You can see on the mudguard, the blue mudguard right there, it is like suede material. All these different kind of suedes on the back as well, right there, and even on the tongue detailing there. Lots of different kind of mesh materials as well being used throughout the upper. And from first impressions, guys, if you look, I don't know if you guys could see, but the inside of the actual sneaker, even around the whole collar, is pretty much mesh. So you can definitely tell that this is going to be a very comfortable sneaker. It has Ortholite cushioning, which is fantastic. I've felt it before, and I've never had any problems with it, so I'm very happy about that. So yeah, I've actually tried these already on, and yeah, they're great. In terms of sizing, I'll probably get straight into it. I'm normally a size 9.5 in my Nikes, but I went with a size 10 for this one. So if you're like me, a wide footer, 9.5, I went up to size 10, and it was perfect. There was only very little in terms of toe space, which is great, and it was fantastic on the side. So if I were you and you were let's say a size 9 and you have narrow feet, I would stay with the size 9. Those are my kind of opinions. Definitely, if you have trouble with your sizing, definitely go in store and try it for yourself. Anyway, back to the review. So as you can see there, once again, it's a very nice looking sneaker all around. But one of the most impressive things, as you can see there, is the outsole. These are perfect for going casual, and especially when you are going out casually hiking. I wouldn't say this is the best thing for hardcore hiking, because as you can see from the top of materials, they are kind of you know, easy. They could probably get easily damaged for things such as like the suede and all that kind of stuff. So probably if you are going to go out on a wet day, definitely put some sneaker repellent on it, like a sneaker protector to protect it from the kind of the watery elements and all that kind of stuff, and you should be sweet. Going back to the outsole, as you can see there, all the brown bits, all that rubber has the AHR Plus right there. You can see it's got the AHR Plus rubber, which is basically 3 times more abrasion resistant than the conventional rubber that's being used on normal sneakers, and is also 50% lighter. So it's more durable, and it is also lighter, so obviously it's going to make the ride on these sneakers a lot better. And just looking at the shape, as you can see there, it looks like it can definitely hug some rocks out there when you're like on, let's say, loose surfaces or wet surfaces. Definitely it will help you keep stable on them, and prevent you from slipping. Now I still have to use these out myself, but as you can see, obviously I'm still injured, so there's like all that hiking stuff has been put on hold for a while, but I definitely can't wait to put these out to the test out on the hiking trails. And if you guys don't know, these came out in a host of different other colorways. This is actually, I think, the 3rd trail version of the Gel Sonoma 1550. I think they all look pretty similar, but I think this one has the bolstering up of the actual heel counter. It also has truss stick technology, I believe, which helps you know, prevent the twisting of the sneaker while you're moving. So there's a lot of great technology that actually goes into it, and not just that, it is actually very comfortable. It also came in 3 different colors with the Gore-Tex version. So as I said before, these probably won't be the best in terms of using these in really like kind of wet weather, muddy and all that kind of stuff, but if you do want to go in that kind of terrain, you can get the GTX version of these. I think there was 3 different colors that came out. Perfect. I love Gore-Tex, the actual brand, because I do believe that they're very great in terms of those kind of all conditions weather. So if that's the kind of route you're going, you can definitely go for that one. But if you're more of a casual person, casual walking and hiking kind of guy, definitely give these ones a go. But once again, what I love about this one is that it looks great casually, and it is perfect for the casual hiking kind of outing and all that kind of stuff. So I'm definitely going to try styling these out. Now I think let's go and style them out now. Let's go. And something I forgot to mention before, you probably can't see it, but because the mesh is pretty much surrounding the whole sneaker, this makes it a very perfect shoe for the summertime. The ventilation is absolutely crazy, and even when I look at it right now, if I look into the light and all that kind of stuff, basically I could see the light going through the actual sneaker. So you can tell that there's a lot of airflow going in and out of the sneaker. So if that's a problem for you in terms of like ventilation, these puppies will be absolutely great for you. Other than that, these are great sneakers. So once again, a huge shout out to the guys from Asics. Thank you for sending it over. I definitely can't wait to continue to wear these out and have some fun in them. But yeah, let me know what you guys think about these actual sneakers. Do you like them? Do you not like them? What other kind of sneakers would you recommend in terms of hiking and for sneakers that you can use for casual and also hiking with Asics? Let me know in the comments below, guys. Also guys, if you haven't subscribed to the channel yet, please subscribe. Do all that good stuff, especially with the thumbs up, because all that good stuff helps me with the algorithm to promote my videos to other people that like this kind of content. Anyway guys, thanks once again for watching this video, and I shall see you guys in the next one. Peace.